guys, today I'm going to tell you my secret. Okay, it's not a secret and it's not only mine, but I'm going to share with you my experience. Sorry for the mistakes, I'm not an English native speaker, but I'll try to do my best. So a few days ago I decided to change my number plate light bulb. I think it's the right word. So unfortunately the purchased LED turned out to be rubbish and I blown the fuse. And here we come to the subject of this film. Where the heck is the fuse box? I would start somewhere here, yeah, behind this plastic cover. Yeah, in my opinion it should be the right place. Unfortunately, I almost removed it, but there is nothing interesting here behind it. So where could it be? Maybe the engine compartment. Let's see. Oh, there is something interesting here, yeah? So just let's take a look. Wow, maybe it's here. Unfortunately, it is not the right place. There is no fuse. There is no the one that I'm looking for, yeah? There is something interesting though. This funny plastic element, yeah? This funny tool. I will show you why. This could be really handy, but we should come back, yeah? So, where could it be? Maybe behind the glove box? Unfortunately, not. So now guys, just take a look. I have seen on the internet that it should be somewhere here, but not behind this, yeah? Plastic element, not here. So where it is? Where could it be? Okay, just take a look. We should lie down actually here next to the brake pedal and look up. Ta-da! This is the right place, unfortunately. Yeah, you see? And this is the fuse box. And this is the description of it. Yeah. What is important here? And what I want to show you, guys. The second thing is the size of the fuse. This was my first choice. Unfortunately, it's not the right one. It's not really huge. It's not the typical one. They are small, but not small enough, I would say. They should be. They are not. They are too high. So when you will try to use something like this, you will be not able to close it with this cover. So this is the right side. You see? Just take a look. Yeah, so funny, so tiny, yeah? And that's why we have this plastic element. I'm not sure if it's opened already, but I can show you how to use it, yeah? Why it is so handy, why it's so useful. You see? You can use it like this. Oh, sorry. Just give me a second. I have only two hands today. Ta-da! You see? It's really uncomfortable to use only fingers. Maybe for the child it could be okay, but for me it was really uncomfortable to remove the right fuse and to replace it. So use this one, guys. On the internet you can find the descriptions, the right fuses. It's not a huge problem. The funny thing was just to find it. I think that a couple of years ago it would be funny to make a film like this, but nowadays everything has changed, so it's not easy to find even a fuse. If you like the video, guys, please thumbs up and subscribe my small channel. Good luck, and I wish you all the best. Bye bye.